Ja, Dina. Be our guest, be our guest. Put our service to the test.
Vir die eerste keer in die Laagveld, want ice skating is so cool, het ons besluit 'n Winter Wonderland ice shot te doen.
As the sun will rise, chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly to chase the wind and touch the sky.
Dis iets regtig baie anders vir die ander mense en dit inspireer die ander klein kinders om ook te begin ijskaat.
Anything your heart desires will come to you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger,
I hope everyone enjoyed it as much as we loved putting it on, and we certainly hope to be here again next year.
Do you want to build a snowman?
do you want to build a snowman?
Just imagine how much cooler I'll be in summer.
Let it go, let it go.
Die mense love dit, oud en jonk, man en vrou, oupa, ouma, almal love it.